The MVM workshop, I think, has been an amazing experience for me as a coach. Looking at the style and the comment of Avi, it gave me immense amount of things to work upon in my own workshops. His authenticity, his care, I think his detailing, his leadership was truly absolutely amazing. Hello, my name is Ritu Agarwal, a mother of two promising and awesome boys, married to a loving and a dynamic superhuman, an amazing homemaker, turned into a counselor, and now a mindfulness and a holistic life coach and author, creating transformations and real breakthroughs in people's life through my Orbit Mindset Shift coaching program. Before I attended this MVM workshop with Avi, I was not being able to generate quality leads at all. In fact, the leads which I was generating through social media campaigns was so costly and expensive, and I think they were very ordinary. That's why that's exactly when I came across, in fact, this program on my mobile screen. The MVM workshop, I think, has been an amazing experience for me as a coach. Looking at the style and the comment of Avi, it gave me immense amount of things to work upon in my own workshops. His authenticity, his care, I think his detailing, his leadership was truly absolutely amazing. This being said, the amount of learning and immediate execution has been a delightful experience for me. It was not just the teaching and the learning, I think it was a real-time execution of everything that I was actually learning. And it was an awesome experience. The key specific things that I can talk about today that has been my takeaway from this workshop are, I think, the clarity of the niche and your target customer is of utmost importance. Once that is clear, I think everything else is just a process and it will be done. I think business on social media can be generated without actually spending huge amounts of money on just campaigns. It's not a myth but a reality. I closed 2 clients within 3 days, so that says it all. Be a true leader like Avi when you carry out your own workshops. When we are carrying out our own workshops, this was a major takeaway from me. I'm going to use many of his styles as inspiration and create my own. Whatever is said for the captains, I think it's beyond words, because they are like so motivating and they've been so relentless, hardworking even till 2 a.m. in the night. They're supporting their backup, their guidance, and above all, I think their energy is like truly amazing. Special mention goes to Ankita and Alok over here. They deserve a huge round of applause. The results that I got during and the post workshops, I think it's been phenomenal for me. My following has increased on Insta from 2300 to nearly now 2450 in just 7 days. I have received more than 5,000 views on my videos and nearly 500 likes just within this week. My first solo Insta live had 51 people joining in. I closed 2 confirmed clients, and the discussions with couple more are still going ongoing. It is much more beyond what I had expected. So thank you so much. It has been a wonderful experience for me. Thank you.
Hello gentlemen and ladies, I hope you liked that video. Wasn't it amazing how people are sharing their amazing stories of transformation and how their business is growing and everything before and after working with us, before and after the workshop. So guys, if you found this story interesting and you're intrigued and you're like, this sounds interesting, but I may still be skeptical, I have questions. Sure, I would have questions too. Do one thing, smash the link in the description. You'll be able to find a link to be able to book a team call with my office. In those 30 minutes, we'll teach you 3 things. We'll understand your business and tell you what your competitors are doing, what you are not doing, and how you can bridge the gap and go ahead and become one of the top 10 in your industry, like we've done for many others. Case studies, competitive analysis, and what we can do for you, all in 30 minutes. A power-packed business strategy. If you're interested, it's absolutely free. Smash that link in the description and talk to my team. And once again, thank you very much for watching this video. Look forward to seeing you on the call. Bye for now.